Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our barely owned 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. This is the SE with the upgrade package. It's a black exterior with a black cloth interior. Has a clean CARPROOF and a DCUV warranty, plus tons of factory warranty left. Let's take a look inside. Power windows, power locks, power adjustable mirrors. Driver's seat has lumbar support, and both front seats are manual adjustable. Toyota Safety Sense is standard, and that includes the auto high beams. There's interior lights for the dash. Has a heated steering wheel, windshield wiper de-icer. Steering wheel is also leather wrapped, and it's tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. Also part of Toyota Safety Sense is dynamic radar cruise control, the pre-collision system, and the lane departure alert. Has paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. There's a multi-information display screen showing you fuel economy, your eco indicator, digital speedometer. Turn on and off for the dynamic radar cruise control, the lane departure alert. Trip info, settings and sensitivity for the lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, has a blind spot monitor, vehicle settings, any messages like an oil change. It's a push button start, has a touchscreen display, AM FM radio, it's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible, and this is where your backup camera is. Auto climate control, including air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors, heated front seats, wireless charging, it's USB and auxiliary port. It has a sport mode, which enhances the acceleration. There's traction control, automatic transmission with the manual mode. That's when you can use the paddle shifters. There's your e-brake, your brake hold, there's cup holders. Next says glove box, more charging stations, review mirror, and your interior lights. They're 18-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks, has body side moldings, it's a smart key entry system, there's dual exhaust, has a rear bumper protector, cover is easily taken off. Does cover up your private belongings that you could have in the trunk. Second set of mats for the summer. Back seat is a 60-40 split, so you can have one seat down or two seats down or all three down. Power windows, water bottle holders in the doors. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Side curtain airbags. Anchor points for the child car seats. And you get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are heated, power adjustable with the signal integrated lamps. It's an automatic LED headlight system with auto high beams. And there's so much more. Come see our barely owned 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.